This is the Xiaomi Mi Band 7. Like its Mi Band 6 predecessor, the Xiaomi Smart Band 7 is in fact a tiny oval-shaped device that is entirely detachable from its rubbery band. The little pod-shaped core measures just a hair more than 12.2 millimeters thick and weighs an inconsequential 13 grams. The 1.62-inch OLED screen is the largest it's ever been, a small bump from last year's 1.56-inch, and a huge jump from the 1.1-inch from the Xiaomi Band 5. The display size increase mostly stretches horizontally, which means the Smart Band 7 has a wider screen than last year's Band 6. The maximum screen brightness has been bumped up to 500 nits, still not quite enough to see easily in direct harsh sunlight, but the screen looks great everywhere else. On the back of the device are sensors for heart rate and blood oxygen levels, along with a magnetic pin space for the proprietary charger. We can confirm the Band 6's charger still works with the Smart Band 7. One of the selling points of Xiaomi's Band series is the replacement bands, which Xiaomi sells in vibrant colors such as neon green, khaki green, and orange. The strap fits comfortably around the wrist, with enough notches for incremental size adjustments. The wearable is rated 5 ATM, which means it can be submerged in water up to 50 meters for up to 10 minutes. Navigating through the Xiaomi Band 7 is done entirely via swipes and taps, as there is no physical button. This is fine for the most part, but sometimes when the display screen is wet, it may take more than one tap to get the desired action. There's virtually no app ecosystem to speak of, meaning everything you can do with the band is already present out of the box, and you can't go and download more things to do. The band pairs to your smartphone via Xiaomi's Mi Fitness app, which is available for Android and iOS. As a fitness tracker, the Smart Band 7 gets the job done. The band alongside an Apple Watch 7 for a series of walks and workouts, and the numbers were comparable. Sleep tracking also seemed reasonably accurate. In addition to tracking expected things like blood oxygen level and heart rate, the Xiaomi Smart Band 7 can also track menstruation cycles and breathing, though the latter is in beta stage. Battery life is very good. If you leave the always-on display off, you can get up to 14-day battery life. We haven't used this band for 14 days yet, but after 9 days of use we can say it should last up to 14 days. One downside is the Xiaomi Smart Band 7 doesn't automatically detect workouts, and begins tracking the way pricier fitness trackers do, so you will have to manually log the exercise. Even with a slight price bump, the Xiaomi Smart Band 7 is an easy recommendation for those looking for a good value fitness tracker. The product more than lives up to what it claims to do, and offers a larger, more vibrant screen and better watch faces than other trackers at this price range. Make sure to like and subscribe to Tech5 for more videos. Bye for now.